Okay, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Then we see another crazy day yesterday. Everything was very nice. Let's see. Okay, so things to know. The retaliatory tariffs, as soon as he said, guys, I'm trying to teach you this stuff. I hope you can learn. As soon as he said, they're time delayed, they're not going to happen immediately, you instantly knew the market would go up. And those NASDAQs we had the day before, I mean, it's really unbelievable. They closed at 2030. They closed at 2030. $230 in the money. $230 in the money. Okay? Stunningly strong. And I said it from the morning. And then today, it's not stunningly strong. Okay? I mean, SPX is down 6. It's about 4-1. NASDAQ is down. So it's about average. So it's not, the NASDAQ is not bullish versus the SPX. It's about even. Okay? So it's a harder trade today. But every once in a while, you get this super bullish NASDAQ or super bullish SPX. Now, SPX broke through this 6100 area. So that means, do we test the 6155? And if we do we get through the first time, or do we drop 50 within 5 minutes? Okay? Interesting, right? So SPX is very nice. NASDAQ very nice. Coin, I don't know what's going on with coins. I don't know. The numbers are so good. Are they fake? I don't know. Doesn't make any sense. The stock should be up 30. It's not. Okay? AppLovin goes up huge yesterday. It goes to 520, and it drops 70. Wow. Today, Tesla's trying to run. Tesla closed over 361 is an outside week. You don't get outside days or outside weeks very often. What an outside day is, let's say a stock is trading at $10, and yesterday it went to 8, okay? So if you went below the 8 and then closed over the 10, so it's a higher high and a lower low from the day before. And if you go look at some charts, I don't use them, but I just know. When that happens, it's rare, okay? There used to be some companies, Amazon used to be one, when it had an outside day, it would run 5 the next day, way back before it split, okay? So just know that. So Tesla, it had a lower low this week than last week, and it looks like it's going to close higher if it gets over 361 and closes. That's an outside week. That can change the stock, okay? Funds, people buy. Okay, algos work off all different stuff, okay? So let's see. We're sitting in these 360s. They're going to be $7 at the open. Nice winner. Let's see, okay? So I have no idea what's going on with coin, but we did sell the one layer because we wanted to cover the second layer. That's just how you trade it, okay? Today, China stocks are running. Baba is flying, absolutely flying, okay? Baidu, flying, absolutely flying. Can Baidu get through 101? It can. It may get to 107. Jesus. TTD off the screen, not doing much. Lilly, RFK got appointed in there, so confirmed. So it came down to probably a couple weeks away. SMCI news, he's going to present 5 days before. He's going to present on the 20th with Jensen on stage, the CEO of SMCI. On stage with Jensen. Very, very, very interesting. Okay? So, very simple. If they present and if they say anything great and they file, then it probably runs. Okay? Now, this stock, they said they're going to go to $40 billion in revenue, so it's still 4 quarters away. So, but just keep an eye on it. We will keep an eye on it. If you want to go buy, say, the 70s or 80s, for a year out, this may go back to 100. Okay, interesting, but for a year out, not now. Okay, so just stuff like this. When you see the stuff, you have to watch it. Roku way up. It's going up nicely today. It always fails. It may go up today, but it always fails. Okay, that's Roku. ARM has got a deal with Meta. Meta just doesn't go down. PanW, they didn't guide up. In the greatest security environment of our time, think about this. If everybody's getting hacked and you can't sell more product, okay, just very simple. Just like if you're doing AI and everybody is buying AI and you can't sell more AI, right? That's PanW. Okay, so CrowdStrike is the undefeated leader there. Shop, how about Shop? We bought those at 50 cents. They went to $3.50, $4, rolled up. Let's see if it gets going here today. Okay, but today is very simple. They're going to sell this because of the JP Morgan call. Now, if we take out 6,100, maybe we go down another 20, but maybe we get near 6,100, 6,106 probably be the number. So that's down 10. And then we pop positive and rocket. Okay? Very possible, very conceivable. The time delay reciprocal tariffs. So here's the two things. CNBC doesn't explain stuff because they're a bunch of morons. Okay? I mean, really. I mean, the amount of people that comment on there are just dumb. Reciprocal tariffs. Nobody knew what they were, except I thought I did, and I was correct. Okay? Reciprocal tariffs are when people put tariffs on us a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 10 years ago, we were going to go tariff those companies. This wasn't, China put tariffs on us. When we put tariffs on them for 10%, they came back with 10%. We didn't come back with 10% again. This was the original. And that's why China is flying. Okay? Okay? So just understand that. So that's what they were. But he time delayed them. So he said, okay, if EU, if you put 10% on our cars, we're putting 10% on your cars, but we're going to negotiate for a couple months. See, that's bullish. That gets negotiations started. Okay, that gets them to make a call. Then Trump is going to go talk to Putin. How is that not bullish? I mean, the amount of people that I see on Twitter, it just fascinates me, the ignorance. Oh, we don't want Russia to look. How many billions that we give them 100 billion? How many? I don't even know. If somebody knows, type it in here. Did we give them almost $1 trillion in war spending? How much did we give them over the course of 2, 3 years, 4 years? Okay. How much did we? Is that audio? Is the audio better there? Yes. Okay. How much did we give them? Let's say we give them $100 billion every 6 months. What if we don't give them $100 billion because the war's over? How is that not bullish? That means we save money there. Guys, just think simply, okay? And you will learn news, and you'll learn all this stuff, okay? Now, NVIDIA, slowly better. It's trying to go. Let me tell you, this NVIDIA, if it gets to 142 and spikes, it can really, really go, okay? And that would take all the chips with it, and then we see, okay? So that's where we go. Yes, you can still book NYC. Let me know if you need more than one ticket. A lot of people bringing other people and friends and everything else. It's going to be great. You will learn so much. I mean, I got some fun stuff set up. Okay, it's going to be really, really, really good. What else? Valentine's Day. Make sure you buy something for Valentine's Day. Okay, let's get going here. 214. SPX is down 5, but that makes sense because you're at 2110. You got 6100, 60, 91, 60, 82, 60, 72. Okay, downside. 6132, 6155. I really don't think they're going to allow it to get through 6155, but they may take it up 20 or 30 and then back down. Okay, Avago 238. Now, people are saying, well, Sam, how come not 236? Because it hit 238 last week and dropped 15. Okay? NVIDIA, 136, 142. 142, big number. ARM, 166, big number. Shopalicious, can it get to 130? Let's see. PanW, back to 201, 209. We're in for next week's. Probably get out even on that. Maybe, you still got a whole week, so let's see, maybe down a point. UPST, like this one for next week, but remember, Lilly ripped 70 points. The next week it didn't do nothing. Okay? So maybe you need a little bit more time. So wait. SMCI, he presents on the 20th, is next Thursday. Okay? So no next Thursday they present. One more thing I forgot to tell you. Monday the market is closed. So lower premiums. Okay? Market is closed. Okay? So very, very interesting. So lower premiums. Lilly 884. Just wait for it. TTD is a 4 to 6 week avoid. People sending me messages. Is it good buy? No. When it goes down 50%, you need to wait and chill. Okay? Baidu 103, big number. I told you 97. So those are going to go great. The 100s are going to open at $1. If it pops, it can go to 103. Maybe it goes to 3. Let's see. Another 50 cent to 3. That would be nice. Baba looks like 129, 131, and it looks like acceleration. Netflix 1062. Coin 309. No idea what's going on. Okay? So just going to chill on it. MicroStrategy can't get going. No idea. Just wait for 103. Goldman Sachs. This one can go today. See if it gets through 652. It can really spike. Reddit, no man's land, 4 to 6 week avoid. App loving. This one's really simple. Needs to get through 482 and then 520. Now, there's an SPX ad coming. I think it's at the end of March. Have to go see what day they're going to announce that. But a week and a half before, they're going to add something when they're going to give you who's in the new people that are in the SPX. This thing is going to go 100 points. Jesus, Sam, you're nuts. It is. So let's say, I'm just making up a day. Let's say they were going to add next week, they were going to tell you on a Friday when it was going to be added. That means AppLovin will not come down. So I don't know what that date is. So if that date is 4 weeks out, then you need to be one day past that 4 weeks out, and that AppLovin will hit a new high and it will go higher. Okay? Because they're going to get added. Okay? That's what we know. Tesla, 366, 372. If it gets through 372, this thing has a shot at 400 next week. Wow. That's what we know. Okay? Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.